Hallo, guten Tag, herzlich willkommen. This video is about German greetings. So if you studied the greetings section in your textbook, perhaps you've just memorized a lot of the phrases there, especially when you're new, when you're a beginner, you just tend to memorize things. But I want to explain to you a little bit how the question, how are you, works in German. It's literally more like asking, how is it going for you? So you know the question, you've learned it. The question, wie geht es Ihnen? So wie geht es Ihnen literally means, how goes it? And the Ihnen here means for you. This is what we call an indirect object pronoun. Again, wie geht es Ihnen? Once you recognize that the structure is a little bit different than the way we do it in English, then I think it'll be easier to understand related questions that you can ask using this structure. So, wie geht es Ihnen is how's it going for you? Now, a little more informally, you can ask the question, how's it going, which is wie geht's. This is a shortened form of the wie geht es Ihnen. The apostrophe S really represents the S, so wie geht es, literally how goes it, okay? And you can leave out the Ihnen here, and this is more of an informal question. Wie geht's, how's it going? If you want to say it's going well for me, then you just say es geht, which means it is going, es geht. And here, this is also an indirect object pronoun like the Ihnen, it's related. So es geht mir, it's going for me, and then gut just means well. Es geht mir gut, es geht mir gut. Es geht mir gut. Or sometimes a speaker might just answer gut. Wie geht's? Gut. If you want to say it's going very well for me, you will say, I'm sure you know that it's going by this point, so es geht. Es geht mir sehr gut. Sehr gut, very good. Es geht mir sehr gut. It's going very well for me. Es geht mir sehr gut. Or you may just respond with sehr gut, very good. The rest of it is implied. The es geht mir is just implied when people say sehr gut in this case. So thank you, just very simple, is danke, danke, danke. It's going fantastic for me. Es geht mir prima, prima. Prima means fantastic in this sense. Es geht mir prima. Or you might just answer with prima. Wie geht's? Prima. How's it going? Fantastic. Wie geht's? Prima. It's going badly for me. Es geht mir schlecht. Schlecht by itself just means bad, but in this case it means badly. Es geht mir schlecht. Es geht mir schlecht. 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 Or you might just answer with schlecht, which means badly or terrible in this case. Wie geht's? Es geht mir schlecht. Oder schlecht. Wie geht's? Schlecht. It's going very badly for me. Hopefully you're not having a bad day, but if you ever need to say this, es geht mir sehr schlecht. Es geht mir sehr schlecht. So again, it's going for me very badly. Sehr schlecht. Es geht mir sehr schlecht. Es geht mir sehr schlecht. Notice that the S here is like a Z sound. Sehr, sehr. Es geht mir sehr schlecht. Okay, so now that you kind of understand how this structure works, I just want to quickly introduce you to the other indirect object pronouns because you're definitely going to need them later on down the road. They're very important. So let's start with the mir. You know, es geht. Here's my structure up here, and the 4 dots here just represents a slot where you could put in one of these indirect object pronouns. So let's look at all the things we could say. I can say es geht mir gut. It's going very well for me. Es geht dir gut. That would be a statement. It's going well for you. Es geht dir gut. And dir is related to the subject pronoun du, which is the informal you. So it's singular and informal. Es geht dir gut. Sometimes a friend might ask you, wie geht's dir? Wie geht's dir? How's it going for you? Wie geht's dir? and you can say es geht mir gut. If you're asking about someone else, a friend, a male friend, let's say you have a friend named Gunther, and you're asking another one of Gunther's friends, how's it going for him? You would ask the question, wie geht's ihm? Wie geht's ihm? How is it going for him? Wie geht's Gunther? Wie geht's ihm? You can answer by saying, es geht ihm gut. It's going well for him. For her, if you're asking about a female friend, or let's say you're making a statement here, it's going well for her, you would say, es geht ihr gut. Ihr. So ihr as an indirect object pronoun means for her. Es geht uns gut. It's going well for us. Es geht uns gut. For you, this would be plural, and this would also be informal, people you know well. Es geht euch gut. It's going well for you or you all. Es geht euch gut. If you're talking about two or more people, for them it would be Ihnen. Es geht Ihnen gut. And notice that Ihnen, it's pronounced the same as the next one, Ihnen, that's capitalized. The one that's capitalized means for you, meaning one person, singular, formal. And this would be equivalent to, related to the subject pronoun Sie. Sie, like when you say, sprechen Sie Deutsch? Do you speak German? Sprechen Sie Deutsch? If I'm on a formal or last name basis with someone, I would say, es geht Ihnen gut. Es geht Ihnen gut. It's going well for you. Remember the question, wie geht es Ihnen? So again, let's just go backwards with questions, just very quickly, and we'll be done. So, wie geht es Ihnen? How is it going for you? Wie geht es Ihnen? How's it going for them? The only way you tell the difference between these two is just the context of the conversation. Wie geht es euch? How's it going for you? Remember plural and informal. Wie geht es ihr? How's it going for her? Wie geht es ihm? How's it going for him? Wie geht es dir? Or just simply, wie geht's dir? How's it going for you? So those are the questions that would kind of make sense with these indirect object pronouns. Okay, well that's it. I hope you understand a little bit better how the question, wie geht es Ihnen? Or wie geht's? Or wie geht's dir? Works. Okay, well that's it for this video. Das ist alles. See you in the next one. Auf Wiedersehen.